Ever seen a small buzzing object in the sky? That's likely a drone. Drones, or UAVs, are aircraft flown remotely, no pilot on board. They range from palm-sized gadgets to large delivery machines. Drones can reach places we can't, capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. Many enthusiasts love building their own drones, learning about electronics and engineering along the way. Kits make building accessible, or you can customize every part for speed or stability. This guide will show you the basics, no engineering degree required. Ready to join a global community of creators? Let's get started. To build a drone from scratch, you first need to understand the essential components that make flight possible. Each part has a unique role, and together they form a complex but fascinating machine. The frame is the skeleton of your drone, lightweight, strong, and most often X-shaped for maximum stability and balance. It's designed to absorb impacts and keep all the other parts securely in place, even during rough landings or sudden maneuvers. 4 powerful motors, each paired with a propeller, are mounted on the arms of the frame. 2 spin clockwise and 2 spin counterclockwise, working together to generate lift, control direction, and keep the drone steady in the air. At the heart of the power system is a rechargeable LiPo battery. It supplies energy to all the electronics and motors. Choosing a battery that's both lightweight and high capacity is crucial for longer, more efficient flights. The flight controller acts as the brain of your drone. It processes data from sensors, keeps your drone balanced, and instantly responds to your commands, making real-time adjustments to maintain stable flight. Electronic speed controllers, or ESCs, are the vital links between the motors, the flight controller, and the battery. They regulate how much power each motor receives, allowing for precise control and smooth changes in speed. A radio receiver connects your remote control to the drone, translating your inputs into real-time actions. Without it, you wouldn't be able to pilot your drone from the ground. When all these parts work together, your drone can achieve smooth, stable, and responsive flight, ready to take on the skies. With these building blocks in place, you're ready to start assembling your own drone and experience the thrill of flight firsthand. Let's get started on assembling your drone step by step to make sure everything is put together safely and correctly. Begin by laying out all your parts and securing the frame's arms and plates with screws. Make sure each screw is tightened evenly, but don't over-tighten to avoid damaging the frame. Next, mount a motor at the end of each arm. Carefully align the wires so they're easy to connect later, and check that each motor is firmly attached and facing the correct direction. Attach the flight controller at the center of the frame, using standoffs to help reduce vibration. This will help your drone fly smoothly and keep the electronics safe from shocks. Solder the motor wires to the ESCs, making sure your connections are clean and secure. Then, connect the ESCs and battery to the power distribution board, double-checking polarity to prevent short circuits. Plug the radio receiver into the flight controller, following the wiring diagram for your specific model. This step is crucial for reliable control during flight. Before closing up, double-check all your connections and wiring. Make sure nothing is loose or pinched, then add the top plate to secure everything in place. Now, test your electronics by powering up the drone with the battery. Always do this without propellers attached for safety. Watch for any unusual lights or sounds. Once you've confirmed everything works, carefully attach the correct propellers to each motor, making sure they're on the right way for proper lift. With your quadcopter fully assembled and tested, you're now ready for your first flight. Enjoy the thrill of seeing your creation take off. Safety comes first. Always wear safety glasses when soldering, no matter how quick the job may seem. Protecting your eyes is essential, as even a small accident can cause serious injury. Take your time and make sure your workspace is well lit and organized to avoid mishaps. Handle LiPo batteries with extreme care. These batteries are powerful but can be dangerous if punctured, overcharged, or mishandled. Always inspect them for swelling or damage before use, and store them in a fireproof bag when not in use. Never test motors with propellers attached on your workbench. Spinning propellers can cause serious injuries or damage if something goes wrong. Always remove them before running any tests or making adjustments to your drone's electronics. When it's time to fly, choose a wide, open area, far from people, pets, and buildings. Open spaces reduce the risk of accidents, and give you plenty of room to practice safely. Avoid flying near roads, power lines, or crowded parks. Before you take off, check your local drone regulations. Laws can vary by country and even by city, so make sure you're flying legally and responsibly. Register your drone if required and always respect privacy and no-fly zones. Before every flight, carefully inspect your drone. Make sure all screws are tight, propellers are secure, and the battery is fully charged. A quick pre-flight check can prevent crashes and keep your drone in top condition. For your very first flight, lift off gently and practice hovering in place. Get comfortable with the controls and how your drone responds. Take it slow and don't rush. Building confidence is key to becoming a skilled pilot. Crashes are a normal part of learning. Don't get discouraged. Each mistake is a valuable lesson. Take the time to repair your drone, understand what went wrong, and improve your skills for next time. Flying a drone you built yourself is incredibly rewarding and educational. You'll gain hands-on experience, problem-solving skills, and a sense of accomplishment with every successful flight. Join online communities and forums to connect with other enthusiasts. You'll find tips, troubleshooting advice, and inspiration from people all over the world who share your passion for drones. Most importantly, be safe, have fun, and enjoy your journey into the exciting world of drones. Every flight is a new adventure. Embrace the learning process and celebrate your progress.